Today we are making a delicious white sangria that is perfect for those summertime parties. My name is Aliena and welcome to my kitchen. To start making our sangria, I'm adding in 1 sliced orange as well as 1 sliced peach, 1 sliced apple, a good handful of fresh raspberries, as well as some sliced strawberries. But you can get creative and really add any fruit you like to this. And I'm also going to be adding in 3 ounces of Grand Marnier. Next, I'm also going to be adding in 2 ounces of brandy. We can't have a good sangria without a little brandy. Because this is a white sangria, we are adding in our white wine. We are not using red wine for this recipe. And I'm adding in a dry white wine, and we're using the whole bottle. And I'm also going to be adding in 1 bottle of champagne. I don't know if I'm going to be able to fit all of my champagne in here, but I'm going to try. Now I'm just stirring my sangria together to make sure everything is combined. And I do want to give it a little taste test to see if I want to add any sweetness to it. This really depends on how sweet your fruit is as well as your wine. That is really good. I don't know. I think I'm going to add a little bit of sweetness to this. You can either use just granulated sugar and add a tablespoon of sugar in, or you can use some simple syrup, and I had this in my fridge. So I'm going to start with 1 ounce and then just see how it tastes. Because you can always add more, but you can't take it away. There we go. One more ounce. I'm gonna go with 2 ounces. And then I feel like it'll be perfect. And now I think our sangria is absolutely perfect. It tastes delicious. And even though I did a taste test, let's do another one. Why not? I'm excited to drink it. That is so delicious and so refreshing, especially on a hot, humid day like today. So I am going to thoroughly enjoy this. And if you enjoyed watching this video, I would really appreciate it if you could like it. And if you want to see more of my cocktail recipes, there should be a playlist right here or over here. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next week. Cheers!